They're usually not over the counter. There are a few, but the topical ones, the optimal word is top, as in topical. So where does it go? On top. So what's it going to affect? The skin. So when you go to put something in there, oh, this is great, it feels warm, you know, there's certain things, sorry, BioFreeze only goes so far. But when you have some of the medicines that are a compound, literally a compound of regular medications that have anti-inflammatories, anti-spasm medications, other ones for nerve or burning, numbness, tingling, that you can have compounded, and you have a delivery molecule, in this case we use nifedipine. It literally carries it through the skin, so it carries it past the skin, so it penetrates the tissue. And if it penetrates the tissue, then you can get some of the anti-inflammatory properties in the tissue where you really need it, whether it's your knee, your ankle, your hip, you know, your neck, your back, anywhere else that you need it. So some of those compounds are really worth their salt. They are prescription. They're specifically made just for you, and you make darn sure you have a reputable company doing it. We don't get it from New England.
What do you think of Pensaid?
Pensaid's okay. It's an anti-inflammatory, but it is topical. It will absorb to a certain degree. Many of those that you can use, by the way, that if you have stomach disorders and ulcers, and you do Pensaid, a large area on an empty stomach when you have an ulcer, you'll have a problem. People don't always know that. It is an NSAID, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory. You have to follow the same rules you do for the Aleve, the Advil, the Motrin. And when you have some of the compounds, the trick that these guys use, that they love to do, is put it on and put a heating pad. Drives it in the skin, drives it in the tissue. It's wonderful, because that will help. Voltaren is another anti-inflammatory. It's similar to the Pensaid. The difference is you don't have to do count the little drops like the Pensaid. It's in a cream form. But those are the...
You should heat the area.
Well, you can heat it, and when you heat it, it literally will help to drive it in. That's one of the things that helps to penetrate the skin. So those can be beneficial, yes. There are other ones that are specialized compounds. Your insurance may or may not cover them. Whatever you get those, make sure you know if you're getting charged for those. And the company we happen to use, if your insurance doesn't cover it, they give you a free sample, so that you get a free sample anyway. So make sure that you know of what you're getting prior to ordering it, because sometimes they're $1 an ounce, and if you get a $300 gram, $300 grams is quite a bit of money for many of us.